Patio edges breaking off or crumbling is a super common headache, but you can totally fix it without stress if you know what to do. So, first off, you want to check the edges regularly for cracks or spots that look like they might start falling apart. When you spot any damage, don't just ignore it. Clean off the dirt and loose bits so the repair sticks better. Using concrete edging is clutch because it acts like a strong frame that keeps everything tight and stops those edges from crumbling. If you're fixing damaged spots, mix up some concrete patch or mortar and apply it with a trowel to fill cracks or gaps. Let that dry fully and don't rush it or you'll just have to redo it. Also, think about sealing the edges once they're repaired to protect from water damage and freeze-thaw cycles. If you have soil or mulch right next to the patio, keep it from piling up against the edges since that can cause pressure and make things break down faster. Lastly, if the damage is pretty bad, sometimes replacing the whole edge section might be way better than patching up too many spots. One of the biggest mistakes with patio edge repair is using the wrong type of concrete mix. It needs to be designed for outdoor durability and bonding well to existing surfaces. Another common issue is not prepping the area properly before repairs. Dirt and loose chunks mess up how well the new material sticks. Lastly, rushing the curing time can lead to weak spots that crumble again soon, so make sure to give it plenty of time to dry and set fully before walking on it or adding weight. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking for reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like patio repairs. It also helps contractors get connected with people needing their skills, making it easier for everyone to find the right match without any hassle.